Mga kasangkayan, it's raining but still mopay nga adlaw hayo nga tanan. It has been raining here for the past 3 or 4 days and the rain has always been heavy. That's why I have to stop my landscaping. But we are still very lucky because unlike in other municipalities na ganito na kalalim yung kanilang mga nararanasang pagbaha sa kanilang mga lugar. So look at this picture. So ganito na kalalim yung mga pagbaha sa ibang bayan dito sa Eastern Samar. Pero dito sa amin, as I have said, we are still very lucky because even if it has been raining for the past 3 or 4 days, ay yung tubig dito sa amin ay mga ano lang siguro yung pinakamalalim, mga 2 or 3 inches. So, dahil nga sa mga heavy rains na mga nangyayari nitong mga nakaraang araw ay hindi tayo nakapag-video ng bago. So today, I am going to show you an old video. Siguro, I shoot this video 1 or 2 months ago when we visited a resort here in Borongan. But today, mga kasangkayan, I am only going to show you the crotons because I have already an uploaded video or I have already a vlog that featured all of the plants that can be seen here in Mabaroka Beach Resort. So, crotons is commonly known as San Francisco. Pero dito sa aming lugar, ang crotons po or San Francisco ay mas kilala sa tawag na kalipayan. Kalipayan, if translated to English, is joy or happiness. Mga kasangkayan mo pa nga agahayo nga tanan, we are here in Mabaroka Beach Resort here in Cabong, Borongan, just next from our barangay which is Barangay Lalawigan. So today, ay pasensya nga pala kayo kung medyo maingay sa ating background because there's a lot of children in the swimming pool. So today I am giving you a quick garden tour dito sa kabuuan ng kanilang resort because I have observed that they have a lot of plant species and a lot of them are really huge. So uunahin na natin ang kanilang mga crotons or San Francisco or mas kilala dito sa amin sa tawag na kalipayan.
Stumbling home, we don't know where we're going. Should've turned back hours ago. Out of our minds, I guess we're sleeping outside. You're still a good time, even in the cold. Get out the road, I told you. A car's coming, I stop you. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Wheels in your hands, I guess we need a new plan. There's a motel a mile down the road. Family can stand, back then still looking for dry land. Jump on my back, I'll take you home. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. we're gone. Should've turned back hours ago. Out of our minds, I guess we're sleeping outside. You're still a good time, even in the cold. Get out the road, I told you. A car's coming, I stop you. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push you to the side, even if it means I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Wheels in your hands, I guess we need a new plan. There's a motel a mile down the road. Family can stand, back then still looking for tried land.